Latest on transfer news. Amathema amaningi athenga yabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So ngizoqala ngeindaba zeSteelers. Remember I did a video regarding Steelers ukuthi ke bazosayina bani na uBradley Grobler umdlali owayedlala eSkhokhono United aphinde ke adlalela ini na adlalela iSuperSport United. Ngasho ukuthi ke bazom-announce kungekudala nje uMjida. Naku ke namhlanje indaba ziyaphuma nje basho ukuthi ke bam-announcile uMjida as their new striker saso iSteelers. Let's hope uMjida uzofike a-add equality kusona isquad ke esikhona laphana sika Kevin Hunt. uKevin Hunt usesebenzise naye uMjida ke sebesebenze isikhathi eside benawo Kevin Hunt. So uKevin Hunt naye bayawazi umsebenzi kumele bawenze lapha. uKevin Hunt kumele enze kahle kule season because usathana kunikezwa u2 year contract by sona iSteelers. So kumele ke adeliver kule season azama ukuthi ke afinishe mhlambe ke ku top 3 because siyayazi iSteelers is a very good team. Bejwala ukwenza kahle esakhona uSteve Barker. Abafuneke ukuyibona bengenzi kahle nje wathi sekukhona yena uKevin Hunt. So let's hope yena uBradley Grobler uzokwazi ke asebenzisane naye bani na uKevin Hunt. uMjida ke bamnikeze i1 year contract kusona iSteelers. Let's hope uzosebenzisa kahle bamnikeze another contract. Kodwa ke yena usemdala kodwa ke igoli uyalazi maybe ke uzoyibreaka le record yamagoli. Kwezi indaba eziphumile bafethe ingekho mnandi. Umdlali obedlalele Orlando Pirates obiyadlalele iChicago Fire FC Bafana uMjida ke bafethu uthole iinjury. Ukhulumile ke ucoach nabeindaba ngokuthi ke bembuza ngayo uMbekezile Mbokazi. Bembuza ke ingabe ukephi uMbekezile Mbokazi. Washo ukuthi ke uMjida ngempela ngeke azaqhubeke adlale with iChicago Fire FC kuyona le season le. uMjida baze bambone ngoDisemba indlela alimele ngakhona usayoshaya le isurgery le eFinland. Kuthiwa ke iinjury yakhe itorn tie yabo ulimale la ethangini ngathi ke kukhona umsipha nje oqhasha. So odokotela ke bayomhlinza ke umlenze wakhe ukuze ke abuyele esimeni uMjida ke. Let's hope umama sebuyela uMbekezile Mbokazi uzobuyela ewulwa machine lwa esiwazi ngempela because siyamdinga ezibafana. Yes uzobe ngekho kuma qualifiers ayo inina iAfcon. Kuba nje khona ama games lapho khona singesimbone khona yena uMbekezile Mbokazi. But ke lokhu kuvula icapha for abadlali abakhona la ku Betway Premiership abadinga ukuthi ke bawodlala kuyona kubafana. Ngibala nje oCM, ngibala nje oAshley Cupido. But ke ucoach omusha uzofika uyena ozothatha lezo nqumo because siyamazi uHugo Bros akasekho kwibafana. So let's hope yena uMbekezile Mbokazi uyashesha alulambe uMjida. Kwezi indaba eziphumile umgadli uMamelodi Sundowns okubana okuBrian Leon. uMjida ke uLeon bafethi ngiyazi abe khona for igame uMamelodi Sundowns abazoyidlala against iPolokwane City kusasa yama quarter final. uMjida nje ngeke azabe khona due to isuspension yabo. Let's hope iMamelodi Sundowns izokwazi ke idlale kahle engekho uLeon. Ingabe ke izokwazi ke ishaya iPolokwane City asazi but ke iPolokwane City inawo ukuthi ke isurprise abantu abaningi. Ingabe ke izosinikeza yini surprise kusasa? Ingabe izovusa iMamelodi Sundowns emaqandeni? Hayibo asazi. Kwezi indaba eziphumile namhlanje ifree agent okubana uIbrahim Barnes is set to join iChipo United. Namhlanje indaba umhlobo wenene eradweni ziconfirmile ke indaba zisho ukuthi ke iChipo United okuyiteam yale Eastern Cape izosayina umdlali bafethu oyifree agent wale eBurkina Faso okuIbrahim Barnes obekumdlalo obefuna ama club amaningi akhona la ku Betway Premiership okubala khona isikhukhune Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs. But ke let's hope uMjida kuyona iChipo United uzofika adlale kahle impress ngempela afika amathima amaningi amakhulu azomsayina yabo amathima njengo Orlando Pirates kanje. Kwezi indaba eziphumile bafethu iMamelodi Sundowns namhlanje ba-announcile i-signing kabani na kaNtsabeleng. Remember I did a video regarding yena uMjida ukuthi ke iclub abekade idlalela yale phesheya iconfirmile ukuthi ke uMjida useyishiyile usejoine iMamelodi Sundowns ngokuphelele. But ke iSundowns iconfirmile namhlanje ukuthi hayi ngempela umdlali uKatlego Ntsabeleng ukhona ngempela udlalela yona iMamelodi Sundowns njengamanje. He is a Mamelodi Sundowns player for good. Iyaqhubeka iMamelodi Sundowns iyaqinisa ngempela isquad. The player played good last season so kuyangijabulisa ukubona eqhubeka ehlala kuyona iMamelodi Sundowns. Lezi indaba eziphumile bafethu iMilford FC isayine umdlali obedlalela iSteelers ona 20 years old okubana uAzasakhe Lukhango. uMjida ke ubedlala ku-30C kakhulu yaso iSteelers. But ke iMilford isitholele nje iplayer la letho uMjida ke uzofika adlale kahle lapha kwiMilford FC. Kwezi indaba eziphumile iclub yakwiMotsepe Foundation iLeicester Ford City isisayine umdlali wedlalela iMamelodi Sundowns okubongo lwethu siyayi. uMjida ke una 23 years old. uSiyasi-ke lo bafethu wayedlalela yona i-DDC yeMamelodi Sundowns njoba nje umjida nje eyodlala nje simfisela inhlanhla kuyona iLeicester Fort City yabo. Ungasho ke he's one of those players ababa lost in the system ababedlalela yona iMamelodi Sundowns but ke njengamanje abasenawo ama-clubs sebeloko beyali nale yabo. So let's hope iLeicester Fort izokwazi ke imsebenzise kahle kwezizindaba eziphumela bafethu ke iClub yase-Europe yase-Europe bifuna ukusayina uguqwano letlako okumdlali weMamelodi Sundowns but ke iMamelodi Sundowns ishaye phansi athi cha asifuni ukuthi ke simdayise ubani na uguqwano letlako. Kade khuluma nibe indaba ke ubani nayo i-agent yakhe uguqwano letlako washo ukuthi ke it is very well publicized that our player Letlagu has been trying to go to Europe. In this case they offered more than 30 million and Sundowns didn't accept it. Yabo. Uyasho ukuthi ke they offered more than 30 million. This should give you a picture that the team that wanted to sign uKutlana Letlago was very, very serious about signing this player. But Mamelodi Sundowns decided not to sell this player. I don't know why. You can tell me in the comments. Maybe you can tell me another story regarding your Mamelodi Sundowns. But I'm very, very surprised that Mamelodi Sundowns might deprive a South African player's dream to play overseas because the player has been wanting to go overseas. Yabo, he's one of those players very befuna ukuya overseas. But it is Mamelodi Sundowns. They can do whatever they like with their players. Their players, their say. It is the same thing regarding Maseko. Maseko is facing a very, very difficult situation with the club because he's blocked from any transfers ala South Africa. Ingabe Maseko kumele ke retire noma ke aqhubeka adlala ibhola outside of South Africa, we don't know. You can tell me in the comments bafethu ke izona le indaba lezi engikwazi ukuthi ke ngiyithole namhlanje azikho ningi ngaleyo ndlela but ke you can tell me in the comments if I missed some other transfer news. Ningakhohlwa ukuthi ke ningifollow lapha Instagram kuVane Sports. Ngibonge nje kakhulu for isupport eninginikeza yona. Sengikhohliwe iPSL ikhiphe isimemezelo regarding ama games. Ishilo ukuthi ke lama games lawa azodlalwa nini na? Azodlalwa kusasa nangesonto. Abantu mele bafike early. Ama gates azovulwa ngo-11 eAmstel Arena. Masukuthi ke ama gates avulwe ngo-11 lapha eChartwell Stadium. Masukuthi ke ama gates futhi ke lapha eFNB avulwe ngo-2. Masukuthi ke futhi lapha eLucas Moripe Stadium ama gates avulwe ngo-2. So abantu ke abazazi ukuthi ke bazoba late kumele benze sure ukuthi ke benza ama plan uma bezoya emsebenzini bazama ukuba off bazama ucela half day because ama games abaleka njengama cup games. Lawo ma games lawo ajayele ukuba sold out. Njoba nje ezoba sold out abantu abaningi bazobe bekhona bezo support. Zama ke ukufika early stadium uzame ngempela ukuthi ke ube safe because abantu abaningi bazobe bepushana befuna ukuzobukela yona iOrlando Pirates le ethandwa umhlaba wonke. Abantu bazobe bephushana befuna ukuzobukela yona inina iKaizer Chiefs but ke angiboni ukuthi ke bazophushana lapha eFNB Stadium because ke ayijwayele ukugcwala iFNB